Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and ZIP files using app called RAR on your Samsung Galaxy A33. So in order to do that, we'll need to locate the RAR or ZIP file that we want to unpack, and mine is located in DCIM and camera. From here we want to open the file that we want to unpack, and it's this pictures.rar. Now we can see all of the files that are inside of the file, and we need to select the files that we want to unpack. So I'm just gonna pick all of them, 3 pictures right here, and press the arrow pointing up right here. Now there will be a few options you can change, and the first one is to press on the browse and select the path where we want the files to be unpacked, and I want them in the movies right here. Now press OK, and you can also change few settings right here, which are ask before override without prompt, or skip existing files. So I'm just gonna go with skip existing files. You can also keep broken files or do not extract paths. You can also enable display extracted files. So now that we've enabled everything that we want, we can press on the OK button. Here we need to enter the password because the archive is protected by a password, and for me it's 1234. Press OK, and the files will be unpacked. Now let's manually move to the movies, and you can see 3 pictures right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.